This is the VIBB variant rolling cart cover, which is a versatile, large-size vacuum insulation solution designed for dual-purpose task of maintaining both cold and warm temperature during the transportation of fresh and frozen foods. The performance of a rolling cart cover is that at ambient temperature of plus 35 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained below 10 degrees Celsius within 15 hours by considering the contents which were pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. Due to its larger size, rolling cart cover is suitable for a variety of applications such as in catering and event management, to transport hot and cold dishes to event venues, maintaining the desired temperatures until serving, agriculture product transport, a mobile storage unit for farmers and grocers, preserving the freshness of the fruits, vegetables, and other perishable during transportation from farm to market or distribution centers. Emergency and disaster relief in situations requiring rapid deployment of food, water, or medical supplies to affected areas at appropriate temperatures.